Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you check your IMEI number in your Samsung phone. Guys, you want to check guys your IMEI number in your Samsung phone, so guys you can check. And guys, now let's see how to check IMEI number in your Samsung phone guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video fans, first of all guys, I want to tell you guys if you're in my channel, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, now time to start video. And first of all guys, we will have to come in our guys phone setting to check our IMEI number. Then guys scroll it. After that guys, you can see guys your about phone setting. So guys tap here. Then guys you can see guys your IMEI number same sold one and guys IMEI number sold two guys. So guys you can check your IMEI number from here in your Samsung phone. And guys you can check also from guys your dial pad tone guys. Now I will show you how can you check your IMEI number in your dial pad tone guys. Dial pad. So friends, we will on our dial pad. Then guys you can see this dial pad. So guys star has 06 has. Then guys you can see guys your IMEI number 1 and 2. So as you can check from here also guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to check IMEI number guys. Two setting guys I told you in this video, in your phone setting and guys in your dial pad, as you can check your IMEI number. So I hope friends you have understood how to check IMEI number in our Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.